This video, I will show you how you can install SSL certificate for your domain name using MaxPanel. I assume you have already logged into MaxPanel just like I am, and you're able to see the options just like I do. Click on Domains option here. It will take you to this page. Here you have multiple tabs. As you can see, you have add-on domains. You also have subdomains. So if you're trying to install SSL certificate for a subdomain, you will have to use this step. Or if you are trying to install SSL certificate for secondary domains, you will have to use this step. And as I'm going to install SSL certificate for a primary domain, and here, and you will see a list of domain names that has been added to your account. I especially narrowed on domains and all. You will see a lot of options here. So whatever domains you have already added, you will be able to see that in this table. In primary, usually we only have this symbol option. So click on Manage. It will take you here, and you will see this button called Request SSL Certificate. If you click on that, SSL certificate will be requested from Let's Encrypt, and it will be installed. Once you do this, you don't have to renew the SSL certificate periodically or anything. The system will automatically handle the renewals for you. So there is nothing much to do here. Once it is installed, it is done. If you're seeing any errors in this point of time, it means probably your DNS is not pointing to the MaxPanel. If you have recently switched your hosting account, it might take up to 24 hours for the DNS to propagate properly. So please try again after 24 hours. Or if you're using an external DNS provider like Cloudflare, you need to disable the proxy in order to install the domain name. So in order to install SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt, so if you're using Cloudflare, keep that in mind and remove the proxy option from there, and it will work. Hope this video was helpful. See you in another one. Thank you.